Retirement accounts. Two of the most common are the Roth IRA and the 401k. The Roth IRA is pre-taxed. Roth 401ks are after-taxed. What's the difference between a Roth IRA and a 401k? Roth IRAs have more assets that you can invest in. 401ks, however, are offered through most jobs, and they usually have a match, which means whatever you contribute, your employer will put in that same amount. Remember, the earlier you start, the more money you'll have in retirement. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.